Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today I got a nice lineup for you. I think you're going to enjoy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today I got a nice lineup I'm thinking you're gonna like. Now, the name of the first watch face we're going to check out is called Blitz GS2 GS3. Now, I like this layout, and in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a traditional analog clock, and when the watch face is turned on, I really like the uniqueness of this watch face. I like the fact that it has the Gear 3 written out at the top, and I like the screws. I think they add a little bit of character to the watch face, and the pattern of the background is nice as well. And you can't customize the color or anything, but you really don't need to, because I think this will tie into any attire, and you get a bunch of shortcuts, right? So if you want to go into your music, your settings, just simply tap on one, and you can go right into that particular application, and you get your info for your battery and your heart rate. What I like about that one, though, is that you really don't have to tap into it if you don't want to. It gives you the information right there. Now, check out the analog clock. I thought that was a very nice added touch. You got your steps down at the bottom. I'm thinking this is definitely a good look. And you get your traditional date, and you get the day over here. Again, I'm really liking the layout of this watch face. I think it goes with any attire. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it down? Number two. Now, number two is called Lumi 169 Combinations Black Model. Now, this is the 24-hour version. It looks nice. I'm liking it. And always on mode, it's pretty much going to be dimmed down into a black and white mode, which doesn't look bad. You're still going to get all the information that you're getting right now. And I'm telling you, this watch face is different. So if you're into digital and you're into your step activity information, then this watch face is the one for you. So let's go ahead, let's take a look around. First of all, up at the top, you got your day and your date. You get battery info. You get your digital time, of course. Then you get your step information right above the seconds. Down to the bottom, floors, climb, your distance, and you get your heart rate. And it is inactive. So if I tap here on my heart rate, it should pull it up. And you can go in and get more of your information, whether it be steps, calories burned, things of that nature. But I like, again, that it has the Gear 3 written out at the top. That's really a plus for me, right? But I really like the customization. Now, since it has 169 different customizations so far as the color and the style of the watch face, right? So I'm going to tap right here, double tap, so I can change the color right here. Very nice. I mean, you just cycle through till you get to the one you like. Let's cycle through a couple of more. See, that one's dim. So if you want a dim watch face, a green one. I'm quite sure they have blue in here, red in here somewhere. And I'm thinking this is not a bad look at all, right? So let me go ahead. Let me get to a lighter one. Let's keep it right there for a second. Now, if you double tap down at the bottom, you'll be able to change the pattern of it so far as the color and the design of it. Just keep double tapping, and you'll get to a unique one. I'm not going to cycle through all of them. You got to check it out for yourself. This one here is free in the Gear Manager store. It is worth downloading just to have. All right, you all, let's check out the one I've been waiting to review, number three. Number three. Now, number three is fun. You got to have at least one fun watch face in your lineup, at least one. Okay, so now the name of the watch face is called IBanashkin, if I pronounce that right. Gyro animated. It's an animated watch face, okay? I'm telling you, this one here is off the chain. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look. Mostly, you're going to see the eyeballs, right? Which is kind of weird. But when the watch face is on, I really like the design of the background. It's plain, but yet has a nice little design to it. You have the name of the watch face up at the top. And the way that you tell time is with the eyeballs, right? So if you look right there, it's at 10 o'clock. So it's almost 10 o'clock because these are the minutes over here. And then, of course, you got that tongue hanging out, right? And that's crazy. So if you move it a certain way, your tongue goes in and out, right? So I thought that was pretty cool. And if you look at the eyes, it looks like it has eyelashes, right? Listen, you gotta have one fun watch face. If you don't comment on any other watch face today, comment on this one for me. Let me know your thoughts. This one here is free in the Gear Manager store. I say check it out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Okay? And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.